luminance, variety, precision. The world of pyrotechnics. As a result of intensive research and continuous innovation today, pyrotechnics stand for a broad spectrum for illumination, screening, protection of the environment, and technology for safety purposes, either in automobiles or on the high seas. One of the largest enterprises with worldwide activities is Nico-Pyrotechnik. Trittau near Hamburg is the headquarters of the Nico-Group. Safety is the top priority in the development and manufacture of pyrotechnical products. That's why there are no large complexes, but only single buildings. No industrial production lines, but rather manufacturing islands, separate and yet interlinked. The roots of the Nico-Group are to be found in the development and production of fireworks, where even today much of the work is done by hand. Nico's fireworks are recognized worldwide. Again and again, top awards are gained at international competitions for new effects, synchronization, and for the overall artistic impression. Every year, the Nico-Group organizes the International Firework Festival in Hamburg, which regularly attracts about 1 million spectators. Innovations developed for large-scale firework displays and theatrical fireworks are adapted in the home use range for New Year's fireworks. The Nico range is noted for the variety of its products, the intensity of its colors, and its multitude of sounds. The emphasis of Nico's research is on the continuous environmental qualification of its products. This applies to the packaging and backup material, as well as to the chemicals used in its products. The Nico-Group has decentralized its activities in Germany. Trittau supplies the north, Silberhütte the East German market, while Lünich serves southern Germany, and Nico Fireworks the west of the Republic and major customers over the whole country. With space for a total of more than 15,000 pallets, in all 4 sites, modern logistics centers ensure that the year's production is delivered in time for New Year. The subsidiary companies Liebenwein in Austria and Hammergrenz in Sweden serve their respective domestic markets. With the increasing precision of its products, the Nico-Group is continuously expanding into new areas of business and new markets. The German Army and Allied forces, for example, are customers of the Nico-Group. Nico develops and produces all kinds of military training systems for them, as well as smokes for use in different operational areas. In Germany alone, Nico holds more than 100 patents. And much of what has been developed by Nico is manufactured under license all around the globe. For example, mortar training systems. Nico's mortar subcaliber training ammunition guarantees optimal training cycles, saving up to 90% in costs. Identical flight trajectory in the ratio of 1 to 10, safe and not harmful to the environment. Nico has developed the first accurate propulsion system for 40mm low and high-velocity training ammunition, patented worldwide. Screening, rapid and extensive. Nico's KM and NG multispectral smokes are the only ones to date which have been classified as harmless to the environment according to internationally recognized standards. The first ever multispectral smoke, impenetrable to thermal night vision, lasers and radar equipment. All Nico products are notable for their consistent high quality. Constant monitoring of the whole production run, naturally according to ISO 9001, ensures high quality standards at every stage of manufacture. At the same time, the flexible production allows the prices for large series to be applied to small orders too. The proximity of the harbour and know-how regarding the transport of dangerous goods are the most important prerequisites for a smooth operation. More than 650 people are working together for the Nico-Gruppe. Worldwide. Nico developments are produced and marketed worldwide through joint ventures, for example in Korea and Singapore. Distribution centers in Canada, the USA and Asia additionally ensure Nico's presence on the world market. Safety first. Traveling all the oceans, Nico's signal systems. Nico signals and rescue equipment are noted for their long burning times and high candle power. Continuously monitored, guaranteed quality without any compromise. That's why Nico is the official supplier of equipment to the German Sailing Association and for daring ventures. While we were crossing the Atlantic, our most important safety equipment was the Nico signal. The ship had not seen us, even though we had radioed to it. The whole crew is standing up there apologizing profusely. And as a sign that everything was okay, we set off a green rocket. With the acquisition of the old-established Silberhütte, founded in 1790 in the Harz Mountains, and thus the oldest explosive processing enterprise in Germany, the Nico-Gruppe extended its range considerably. Here, for example, smoke signals are being made. Carefully mixed, measured, compressed. With guaranteed exact burning time. The Nico-Gruppe also makes sure that pyrotechnical products are disposed of correctly. In Silberhütte, Nico is running one of the most modern combustion installations with dry filtering. A low level of emissions with very little impact on the environment. Here, airbags from the German automobile industry are also disposed of appropriately. Working together with the universities of Hanover and Göttingen, Nico has developed aerosol fertilizers. They actively combat the effects of acid rain without damaging life in the forest soil. Solutions for tomorrow. Nico initiates and puts its stamp on international programs dealing, for example, with tracking and measuring air pollutants. Synergies made by Nico. Milestones in the world of pyrotechnics.